Alright guys, so we are in Pigeon Forge. Well, we were in Pigeon Forge. We are now in Morristown, Tennessee because of a wildfire that came through, and hopefully it did not burn down our cabin because we still had all of our stuff in there and we did not get any of it out. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that. Got some cool videos ready to upload in maybe a week or two. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We'll catch you on the next one. See you.